Hi friends, this is Sanjeev Jharbade from the research team of Kotak Securities. I track the capital goods sector. So far as the outlook for the sector is concerned, let us first see what are the key parameters and how is the overall scenario panning out. On the macro side, we have seen that fewer projects have got finalized in terms of investment intentions. In the month of May, in fact, there was a sequential decline in overall annual project investment in May over April. In terms of the IIP based capital goods index, it was down significantly for the month of April. And thirdly, in terms of profit growth, we have in our portfolio of companies under coverage in the capital goods sector, we have found that the profit growth for the year FY13 is likely to remain flat, and without excluding Larsen & Toubro, the profit growth is likely to be -5%. So the overall scenario for the capital goods sector continues to remain bleak. The reasons are well documented. There has been delay in project finalization, delays in decision making, land acquisition is taking much more time, and of course the interest rates which have been at elevated levels continue to pose problems for corporates. So given this scenario, what is our take on the sector? We believe that the sector may underperform in the near term. So far as stocks are concerned, among large caps, we prefer Larsen & Toubro over BHEL. That has been our stance, and we have been proven right in the past several months. Larsen & Toubro has outperformed BHEL. We maintain that stance. In terms of mid caps, we prefer companies that have a net exports, and among them we like Cummins India Limited as well as LG Equipment. The other stocks which may actually benefit if at all the situation in the capital goods improves here on is Voltas Limited and Blue Star Limited. Now these two companies have actually booked front loaded most of their losses on their projects portfolio, and if the situation improves from here on, then we can expect a significantly improving profit in the coming quarter. So these are the two stocks. So we continue to like Larsen & Toubro, but not at these levels. We would recommend investors to buy on declines. So far as the mid caps are concerned, we like Bharat Electronics, LG Equipment, Cummins India Limited and Voltas. What would make us positive on the sector is that in some very strong measures which are aimed at addressing the core issues that are plaguing the broad project investment sector, mainly power sector. Now if the government does something that can address the problems related to state electricity boards or problems related to the availability of coal, that can be taken as positive. Apart from that, we are also looking at the RBI. If the rate cuts can come from here on, then definitely it will make the overall environment conducive for project investment. So at the same time, the other thing that we are looking at is decision making and project finalization activity. We have seen that there has been some improvement on this front, but more is needed for the overall project investment sentiment to improve. So that's our overall take. We believe that the sector may underperform in the near term. We like L&T over BHEL, and we would be looking at government measures for us to change our outlook on the sector. So that is it from my side on the capital goods sector. Thank you.